All right, so we have a 2012 Chevy Cruze Raleigh Sport. First thing you want to do, I already took off the wheels because yes, as you can tell, she has aftermarket wheels. First thing you want to do is get in a car. You want to pop the hood. Once you pop the hood, you got to remove this brake reservoir cap. There you go. Look like she got a well, of course, a 4-cylinder Ecotech. Them bad boys. But yeah, so first things you want to do, you want to take off the reservoir cap, and you come to the wheel. So I already took off the wheel, like I told you before. And I'll show you the process. So these are 10 millimeters, and then also, like you already know, I got to do the brake caliper bracket. The brake caliper bracket are 19s. Let's see. 19. It's the top and bottom. So first we're going to actually push the piston in. You can use this or a brake tool, doesn't matter. Just make sure you don't pull from or push in the where the piston is. You want to do it from the brake pad. And the top and bottom one is a 10 millimeter top and bottom bolt. And then next you got to remove these two bolts. They're both 10 millimeters. It's 10. I don't think that's gonna help me out either. Let me see some. There you go. Now you got that out your way. And then next you got the brake caliper bracket bolts. Remove your brake pads. And these are both 19s. Top, bottom. you want to lube up this bracket some. Pick your brake pads. Okay. Alright. So first thing I think I'm gonna do is pretty much have it how it was before. And I'll just tighten it up when I got everything together. Alright, it's the caliper, mounting bolts, do not lose this. Alright, so once you clean out the bracket, what you want to do is, you know, take your lube, and I'm going to put it on the caliper here. Like so. And I already lubed up this brake pad. You're going to place this brake pad with a wear indicator on the inside, like so. And then you want to take this pad and then place it in like so. And you just push it in. And next you take this caliper, just twist it, and you place it on the bracket like so. And then your tins, and you start by hand first. Same thing up top. These are 10 millimeters. Start by hand. And tighten them down. Let's loosen it. and then you place rubber hose back in the bracket. After that, you're done. I'll see you on the test drive, guys. All right. Okay. Pump the brake. Check engine light on. She got how do you clear this stuff? Select. Menu. There you go. 89,000 miles. Okay, got it in drive. I feel like we got a misfire. Oh, that's the end of that one. Let's see. Let's see what else we got. Let's see, recodes, all system module. %. $86, $96. Yeah, she has 7 codes. Oh, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 codes. Personal valve. I could tell she need a tune-up. I could feel that bad. You also got a biometric pressure sensor. Replace the valve cover. Doubt that's it. Turbocharger, supercharger, a under boost condition. Replace turbocharger. She probably didn't keep up with her oil changes. Most likely it burned out the turbo if it did, but I think her issue might be more so spark plugs. I ran a misfire, and it sounds like she has an evap leak, to be honest. But yeah, that's the check engine light.